laugh.
Hello, and welcome back to another video of Sharpey's World. Right, today we have come to Croots Farm for a farm open day to see sheep shearing, shy horses, tractor riding. There's a park I can see ahead. Ice cream, sheep, goats, pigs. Do you have monkeys?
No.
No.
And I can already see sheep all down there.
There is a lot. Yeah. Before we get to the farm, we're playing Dodge the Poo.
No.
Dodge the Poo, look. And put your foot on it. Dodge the Poo! Dodge the Poo! Ooh, nearly. There's the farm. Lace, look. Found Snow White's horse. Nice horse. Hello. This is a champion horse. This was won prizes. It says on there. You should say hello, Lace. Let's you. It's a lovely one, this one. She's won lots of awards as well. Lace, what's the horse's favourite TV programme? Neighbours. Do it. Yeah, it works, look. Told you there's monkeys on the farm, look, I've just seen one. Ah, it's Kian. Lace. This is where they make the shoes for the horses. That's what blacksmiths do. That's what they make. I see the shoe for the horses there, look, the horses' shoes in the back of the van. Yeah, and they make them on here. That's what goes on the bottom of horses' feet. We're probably going to do a demonstration of that. Horseshoes, yeah. Nice and soft, Lace. Ah. How old do you think it is? 4 days or 4 months or 4 weeks. Stop for lunch. Sandwiches in a field full of sheep poo. Sat under a nice tree. We're going on a horse ride in a minute over there. Doctor. I don't know, why did the cow cross the road?
Because it wanted to go to the moon.
Doctor, I feel like a cow. Well, move out the way then and let me have a look at you.
What do you call a pig who's a ninja?
Don't know, what do you call a pig who's a ninja?
Pop chop. What do you call a lamb with a machine gun?
Don't know, what do you call a lamb with a machine gun?
Lambo.
Orange face, look at that face.
This one's not really a joke, but what's a lamb's favourite car?
Don't know, what's a lamb's favourite car?
A Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini, like it.
What's a horse's favourite car?
Horse's favourite car? Don't know. What is a horse's favourite car?
Family car.
A family car. What is that? Thing is, I don't want to pick it up. So I don't know if it's been eating like cow dung or something.
Dung beetle.
Don't go in my bag. She's just an orange little girl. Her name is Lacey Twirl.
I think we just laid in car park. There's a car park there.
Oh. great.
Or lamb pack.
Lamb pack.
I'm finished. Daddy, now when Kian's finished his thing, can we go in a carriage?
Yep. Do we need toilet first?
Yeah, no.
What is it?
Yellow.
Oh, what is that one? I've never seen one like that before. Get that one off me. Oh, what one's that one?
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, you find all sorts on the farm, don't you? Not just farm animals.
I've never seen one.
Creatures
like
you've
that
never
either.
seen before. I've never seen one of these little creatures either. Watch this. What's that? Oh, it's Lacey. See if Lacey likes butter. Lift your chin up. Lift your chin up. It's tickling. Yeah, Lacey likes butter. It's gone all yellow. Yep. It's good though, isn't it?
And it goes back.
A horse ride through the field. Okay, dog. That's it. Move the gear stick. Has it got a horn? Say move out the way, pigs and cows and sheep. No. They're gonna run me over. Nice. Time to dodge the sheep poo again. What do you reckon, Lace? That's his stealth dance. He's gonna approach the sheep with caution. Do your stealth dance. Dun 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 dun. I want the sheep to headbutt him. Oh, I've chudding poo. I've just chudding cow poo. Not cow poo, what's it called? Sheep poo. Thanks for watching that video, Sharpey's World. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, 2 seconds, hit that little subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, turn on that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Sharpey's World.